I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to share projects in Scratch. Sharing your creative work on Scratch is a fantastic way to connect with a global community of creators. It allows others to see your amazing projects, play your games, and even learn from your code. We will walk through the entire process, ensuring your project is ready for the world to enjoy in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Once your project is complete and you are happy with it, look for the bright orange Share button. This button is typically found in the top right-hand corner of your Scratch editor screen. Before clicking, always double-check that your project is saved. Pressing this button is the crucial first step to making your creation visible to millions of Scratch users worldwide. It's that simple. After clicking Share, you will be taken to your project page. Here, it is essential to add a descriptive title so others know what your project is about. Also, write clear instructions on how to use or play your creation. Don't forget to include notes and credits, acknowledging any inspiration or resources you used. This helps others understand and appreciate your work fully. Congratulations! Your project is now live and visible on the Scratch website for everyone to see. Other Scratchers can now play your game, try your animation, and leave comments. This is a wonderful opportunity to receive constructive feedback and connect with fellow creators. You can also explore and even remix projects shared by the vast global Scratch community, fostering creativity and collaboration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.